Please welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you very nice accessory for your phone, and this charger is really good for your iPhone or Android devices. And let's open it. It comes with the USB instructions, and this is the charger. Very nice charger, I like it. We plug the USB on this end, and now we're going to plug the other side into the wall adapter. Small light blinking, the red color. The wireless charger is on. If we look on the side, you can see the lighting, see-through glass. And first we're going to test the iPhone. We're going to place the iPhone, and it started charging. This is really nice one, I like it. It's sitting on your office desk and it looks really elegant product. I like it. It's very neat. And as for Android devices, it started working. So if you like this product, I'll list the part number under my description, and please check it out. And if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.